Hey everybody, welcome back to Shiny Shopping Saga. So right now we're in the Target dollar spot, and I'm just gonna take a look at what they had. I was coming back day by day to look at stuff, but I wasn't seeing too much, so I'm here on a Saturday, which I don't like doing, but it looks like she did stock because it's after Christmas. So let's see. So right here they have these bags, these little craft set bags. They have the unicorn on the front of it and the ice cream, yeah, and these are 3. And then right here, what does this say? Feeling fantastic. Look like some pencil holder bags. These are $3 too. And then these cute little chunky books. I wanted to get this when I had Riley with me because I'm gonna make her a basket, but I was like, let me put it down. I don't want her to see it. But they have it. This one with the cat. It says "You're Possum, Valentine." It's $3. And let me tell you how much you mean to me in purple. I also see a blue one back here. I think you're fantastic, all sharks. I have some cute little wood figurines down here. And then I see, what does this say? Fling fingerlings. The little Valentine giveaways. These are $1. And they have some of the socks. The Valentine Day socks, these are $1. These are cute. These say love. These are small. And these, what is this? A novelty toy card kit. Oh, this is cute. A Valentine's card kit. It's 5. No, it's 3. Let me tell you how much you mean to me. And with the llama, it's a llama kit. I also see the sharks. Okay. They have sharks. And unicorns. I saw some what is it? I saw some New Year's hats when I first walked over here. I guess my eyes will touch it. Oh, these are cute. The pencils, hugs and kisses. I think I'm gonna pick this up too. Let her give these to her classmates. These are $3. These are 8 count. Oh, they also have it here in a unicorn. You make my heart soar. They have some of the star string lights set. I see white and the rose gold. These are 5. And the rose golds. There's stars. Bottoms up. I see more eraser favorite kits. Ooh. Sorry, y'all. Eraser favorite kits. I'm sure there's more. The novelty lacing activity set. 3 bundles of yarn. Oh, this is cute. It makes like a little set like that. And I see it in the blue and yellow and green. And they have some of the, what is this? The planners and the calendars over here. So these say January. These are $1. Okay, this is how it looks on the inside with the different calendars on the inside. The weekly planner dashboard. These are $3. Weekly to do and a date. These are $1. To-do list. Weekly stickies. How much are these? Are these $1 too? Yeah, these are $1. Card list planner. Some more cute little Valentine's unicorn. Paint your own unicorn. I'm just assuming it's Valentine because it's here. What's this one? Sticky notes. These are $1. I see the stencils. Like a stencil ruler. It's only 20. I saw the planners around there too. Oh, these are cute. And then the little clipboards. These are $3. They have the different colors. Another clipboard here in black. They have the dry erase monthly calendar. Also see it in the blue. This morning, this afternoon, this evening. And these are $5. What's another one down here too in the flowers? Oops, it's hard to get it out. Flowers. Okay, so back over here to the planners. It says today is the day. And these are $5. Customize, create your own. That's how it looks on the inside. Little tabs. And they have this one to get started now. Also see the flower print one. And this one says 2020 planner in the corner of it. And are these like some dry erase boards? Yeah. These are $3. They have the different little borders around it. So this one has the polka dots and then that's cute. And then this one has sprinkles. In the Bullseye Playground, it says sale, buy one, get one free. But right here, this one says let's do brunch. And it is 7 appetizer tray. And they also have the different ones. This is sectioned off right there. And they have these cute cups, like a sweater cup. I see gray and pink. These are $5. Glass water bottle with knit sleeves. And they also have it in pink. Oh, they have customized coloring. Great classroom activity. The sloths, the crocodile, the unicorn. Like this on the front. They have different types. What's this one with the stripes? It's a different activity one. These are $3. I don't know if I said they were $3 or not. And they have some of the cute 5-piece bath fuzzies. Oh, these are vanilla scents. These are $3? Yeah, that's cute. The honey face mask, $3. Have some more Lavender Fields fizzy bath and foot soak. These are $3. And I also see berry blossom. I see another one, mints here. Green tea aloe mint. Oh, look at these candles. These candles are cute. It says let's cuddle. Let's cuddle. These are $3. And this one right here, this has the XOXO silver white winter. And this one says cozy fire, home sweet home. Have the cute little foam toe separators. These are $1. Okay, so over here it says PS I love you, the little card boxes. These are $1. They had some sending your love. They had some cute little shadow boxes here, but I guess I missed them. And they have the clings. These are $1 for Valentine's Day. The bears. Oh, this is a cute box. XOXO. J'adore. And they have some cute little string lights. So I see it says warm white. I see the pink hearts. These are $3. And then I see the red hearts. Oh, these candles are cute. Snowdrop. And this one is fireside. And this one is vanilla and pink. They have the cute little letters here. These are $5. I see gray and white. And coming over here, they have some cute little cookie cutters. These are $1. The heart inside, the cute little lantern lights. I see gray and white. These are $5. And white. These cute little bowls. How much are these bowls? These bowls are $5. Okay, it says foot soap bowl. Oh, that's neat. It goes along with the other thing. They have those colors. And then they also have them in the smaller bowls. These are foot soak. These must be hand soaked. Okay. These are hand soaked for $1. The 3 colors. Some glass jars are $3. Yeah, the squirter bottles. These are $3. And have the cute little Valentine tattoo boxes. These are 8 in a pack for $1. Some more of the little cute string lights. Oh, they're hearts. Warm lights. These are $3. And they have the hearts and golds. And the hearts in XOXO. Some cute little tea towels. These are $1. The hearts on them. And then the pink XOXO. Have the cute little wet dry bags. These are $5. Yes, I have this one. The cute bottles. Like some vases for flowers. These are $5. It says glass carpet. This one silver one has the gold heart on it. They have this cute little mirror. The heart is $3, and they have this cute sign, all pink with the red heart. It's $3. And right here it says, "Don't forget this bag." These are $3. My greatest adventure is yet to come. And then they have the matching little tote bags to go with it. So these have the airplanes on them. They have it in blue and pink. Okay, it's a passport holder. Blue and like the blush pink. And they have more of the little me time manicure nail kits. So these are $3. I see purple, the pink, and that teal. Blossom berry scented lotion. So this is cute. These are $1. So it's cute. It's like it's all a little, like in a little set. It matches the bowls and the feet pads, scented scrub, lavender feels, and berry blossom. These are $1. But it matches the little slippers that they have down here. So they have the slippers in teal and white and pink. Same print. And they have this cute little bag here that's $7. And the feet scrub. I guess the feet scrub can go with it too. With the little gift set. The feet scrub is $3. And over here they have some power banks. Sussy blue with the polka dots. And then that one with the flowers. These are $5.
Look at this one, Madison. This is beautiful.
And they have the cute little banners. So this one has the hearts. And then this one says mimosa bar. And over here they have some more candles. This one says Jador. What is it? Wild berry magnolia scents. And then sweet pea. It says you're like really pretty. That's cute. And this one, XOXO in white, and it is rose gold scent. That smells pretty good. I read rose gold would smell. And then these cute little, these like cake holders. Yeah, so they see them in the teal. These are $1. And white. Some little snow cones. These are $1. So they have that taller one with the teal, and then the shorter ones. White on the inside and teal and yellow. So they have these cute banners with the tassel. These are $3. Hey everybody, welcome back to Shiny Shopping Saga. So I am back in the Target dollar spot. And I see they added these little things. These are cute. These are $3. I see it in white.
Flowers over here.
And gray. And pink. And down here they have some more of the mugs. When we came the other day, they only had these other mugs. So they have these with the hearts going all around them, and these are $5. They added some more little bags. So cute. They say Happy Valentine's Day. These are $1. They have some here with the pink and the rose golds. White with the pink all over it. And right here with the teal on it. They have some more shadow boxes over here. Are these shadow boxes? Yeah. And these are 3. See this print and this one. It says Made with Love. They had the bigger serving trays when I came, but I didn't film them, but they were here. They have these two. Say I love you. What are these called? Ceramic planters. I see this one. And this one in the pink. And this one right here in the teal. They also have some cups too. It says enjoy the simple things in gray. I also see it in the pink with this print. These are $3. These are heavy too. And right here it says you plus me. Oh, they have some of the cute little bowls. Okay, you plus me. These are 3. Soup mug bowl, and then they also have it in this color. The best things in life are free. And they have these cups. These are $5. Down here they have some of the candle holders. I see gray. These are 3. I see it says, yeah, short candle pillar, gray, dark gray, a teal or green mint, and like a wooden type of color. I see some stickers down here. I'm sure they had more, but I only see these for now. The XOXO, Made with Love. These are $1. It's like a pink with the gold brim. These are $3. Stemless champagne flutes. Here they have the cute little coffee mugs. It says you are my favorites. And these are $5. And they have these tin cans. They had some heart-shaped ones, but these are 3. So I see them in this color, and then the white with the polka dot. Oh, they have these cute little sweet jars. Fill your favorite treats. 3 jars, 1 sticker sheet. These are $3. The 3 prints. And they also have them with this one, Baked with Love, the pinks. And I see these are bigger. It's 2 for $3, the bigger one. Okay, so I found more of the stickers on this side. So they have these stickers, these notepads, and these with the donuts. Let's see, some letters, and then more notepads. And they have some gift bags. These are $1. Ooh. Stuff is falling down. Have this one. And down here I saw some little cup holders. Oh, here they go. So I see them in pink. These are $1, and also in red. I hope this vlog isn't too all over the place, because I came to the dollar spot on numerous occasions to try to get everything that I see for Valentine's Day, but I think that's gonna about sum it up for everything that I see. And I hope you guys enjoyed this multiple day vlog of Target Dollar Spot, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Oh, they got these books down here hiding. These are $3. And I see the multicolored one too, also with the hearts.